Yeah, Tesla's a gorgeous short. All right, let me just figure this out right here. So on Tesla, very important. I love this level. I really, really do. Remember how 216 has been it? In other words, I look at first the current, you know that, and big channels, and then I have to go smaller time frame like daily, and then of course hourly. First and foremost, this is done. The trend broke here. We talked about this beautiful reversal. Couldn't get above 288. Trend was broken. Gorgeous. And it came right down to that 216, which was monthly, overextended, got back in. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. Week 5, nothing definitive because we're only 10:30, right? 1 hour in on the week. But that is a very nice open to be short, right? So we have obviously closed below 216, which is monthly, and we've opened below the Keltner channel. So that's all working pretty nicely. What do we have for targets? We got to first break through this 194.50, but that's the next level. Look on the day. The day is what saved it in earnings, right? Saved it this literally low of 204.16, held, got up, could not muster anything more, had a gorgeous bearish engulfing, which is not always the highest probability, by the way, but it's at least helpful. It gives you an edge if you're already short. So now we broke in 204. We've done that before, not once, but twice. We need to stay below 204. I think the third time's a charm. Now let's go to the hourly. Beautiful H pattern. So we have to literally see the support on the dollar, 200, just 200. We break that 200, we've got a nice continuation pattern. Let me just show you here. No, that's really nasty. I've got that ghost print. Well, the best I can do is kind of muster up this kind of level of 78.6, which is 194. And what does it correspond with over here on a weekly? Actually, that's quarterly. Holy smokes, I didn't know that. Okay, so I got to make that more prominent. So I would say that's a higher probability to 194.50. Oops, wrong color. There we go. So I think we got a nice rollover candidate here, whether you are already short, which this is, right? Beautiful. Or we've got a little weekly price target in this 194 coming into view. Yeah, 194.50 coming into view. Now, Friday, I feel very bad. I didn't mention this, but we were sitting on Friday before I closed my trading room. I mentioned this to Michael. I'm like, I'm so mad. It was a gorgeous short to 204. So the 205 same day lottos went from 40 cents to $2.40. I think they even hit 315. Anyway, it was one of those deals where it broke and then just continued beautifully right straight smack down to that 204. And then you could just chase if you want, if you feel more comfortable. I really think 194.50 is going to get tagged sooner rather than later. Look where we literally tagged and then had an itty bitty little bounce. 6 times. Yep. 40 cents. That was just, and I don't usually do that because I don't have time to focus on a Friday, but there you go.